Saraya! Are you ready to go Pensacola? Say Pensacola!
Yeah.
Are you being a daredevil this morning? Yep.
Whoa.
Today is November 13th, I think. No, 12th. Today is November 12th. And we are packing, getting ready for Pensacola. Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Sabrina Meaner. We're on our way to Pensacola. No. 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 Oh. Why are you being whiny? Huh? Pensacola, here we come. How do you feel, Mommy, after receiving your first ticket?
At least it wasn't for 20 miles over. That's how I felt.
Saraya, we're almost to Pensacola. She's trying to get the string under her jacket. Gotta turn toddler, walk over.
Exit 12. You said the airport was exit what? 10? 17? And our hotel was what?
7. It says 12.
So are they going up or down?
Going down.
No, they're going up. So did I miss our hotel?
No, they're going down.
They're going up.
I'm only following what it says.
Exit 7, Pine Forest Road. I don't know, John.
Saraya! We're in Pensacola.
There's a blow dryer. Nice bathroom, lots of towels.
This is our room. That's me. Hi. Hey, how you put your butt in my bed?
Where's my purse?
Over here.
This
Well,
is
show me
our
my Ewok purse.
room.
Where?
This is my room. And this is my mommy's purse.
This is my Ewok purse.
And Star Wars fans.
Last one.
And then this is a big thing on YouTube. When you travel, you gotta show your room.
Oh, that's good, because that makes it hotel. Make sure there's stuff.
This is the Pensacola Holiday Inn Express. I got you on film. Y'all know I catch everything. This is our room. We got the Bible and our flat screen. Me. And that's a pull-out couch. We got the mini refrigerator with the waters and Mountain Dew.
You kidding me?
What's
Hey,
there?
there's a pull-out bed over there.
Yeah, we know. I got it. We got the microwave and dishes. It's kind of hard to see in there, y'all. Iron and ironing board.
We'll get free breakfast in the morning. Oh no, we won't be here by that time.
There's an iron. It starts at what time does it start?
6.
Oh.
Bathroom was cool.
And that's our bathroom. Hi. Come in there with me. Blow dryer. And of course the free stuff. Okay. See? Let's not try to sound. Going to the elevator. Don't be filming me. I film you filming me.
If you do, get it from this height.
At least. I don't have no makeup on. Alright, excuse how I look. We're just exploring the hotel. Here we go. It's not me. The pool is this way. Uh-oh. Fitness room. I gotta go in there in a second. Macho man. Okay, here's our indoor heated pool. It smells like pure chlorine in here. Oh, I want to get in, don't you? Oh, you can't. You can't get your hair wet. That's fine. You can't get your hair wet if you get in there. Alrighty, but here's our heated indoor pool. No diving because no lifeguard on duty. Nice?
Yeah.
Nice enough for Treya?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that ain't bad. Alright. Here we go. That's how slow it's going. There we go. It's going too fast. How you doing? Got yours. Are you the right one? Yeah. You ain't taking both of our macadamia nuts. Grab one for Treya. Got cookies for the baby. You have one? Pick one of those. Take that. Do you know which direction you go? Down it. Alright, I'm not just filming this going back. We're gonna have complaints. Do it again, I missed it.
She's eating that. That's what
Treya.
she's eating that.
Treya!
Come on, we're fixing to go get you some yum yum. Get you some mashed potatoes, some wing beans. Yeah, applesauce. All right, you gonna call it in?